Good morning, everybody. How are you doing, Mr. P here? Just letting you into my daily routine, and in the same time as doing that, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to recycle your foodstuffs, various other plastics and stuff, whilst doing your day-to-day chores. I'm going to start with a cup of tea. Don't forget, when you finish squeezing your tea out, stick these in the caddy, and 2 of them is enough to power the smartphone. Cheers. Right, let's go and do some exercises. Once I finish my workout for the morning, I come into my kitchen and I make myself a protein shake. I use some protein powder and then I use a banana, and with that banana skin, I drop it into the caddy. Don't forget, you can also recycle the shower plastics. Recycling 1 aerosol canister saves enough energy to power a home stereo. Time for some lunch, and I feel like having a cheese and pickle sandwich. All food waste can be recycled. So stick it in your caddy. All that's left for me to do now is be my services. Recycling a cleaning spray bottle saves enough energy to charge 6 tablets. Not bad, eh? 85% of us recycle plastic bottles, from drinks bottles to toiletry bottles to cleaning products. Now, to make it to number 1, we need 100% of the people to recycle. Thank you very much, everybody. Diolch yn fawr pawb. I hope that showed you how easy it is to recycle whilst doing your daily chores. Now, Wales is number 3 in the world, and we are on a mission to get Wales to number 1. Come on, everybody, let's all recycle. Let's get Wales to number 1.